hope all is well. So today we're going to be on dancehall artist Spice, and it's me congratulating Spice on the purchase of her new home in Atlanta. She has surprised her kids, both Nicola Toy and Nicholas. And if you want to see the video in its entirety, then you can check out Spice channel here on YouTube. It's called Spice World Official, and you can see what happens from beginning to end. I'm just going to put a snippet up, but again, I just want to tell Spice big congratulations. Her hard work is paying off slowly but surely. Spice stays securing the bag. Now she has secured a home here in the United States. All right,
we gotta read it together, okay? Go. All right, loud.
I know I've been away from you, but you are the reason for the things I do. I work so hard to make our dreams come true. Every sacrifice was just for you. I hope you know that I love you. Everything I do is for you. Now you have not one but two smiles. This house belongs to you!